2, 1, dive!
Qualification match number 2 officially underway here on the Curie division. Looks like we've got 3 pieces of coral being scored for the Red Alliance. Looks like their alliance partners are going to try to make it a 2-peat for both of these teams. Blue Alliance looks like they're only going to get 1 up on the level 4. Red Alliance almost completing a full level 4. Little empty spaces after that. Moving into our teleoperated period, Red Alliance is going to take the advantage with a score of 44-16. We've got robots racing all over both sides of these alliances. Looks like 10-6-56 has a algae in tow. They might go first to score a free throw from that for their field. 1498 doing the same for the Red Alliance, dropping one in for a couple points. A good job to them. 2640 the Hotbots for the Red Alliance with their pink machine racing on over to their human feed station to retrieve a piece of coral and racing on up with their partners 1498 the Polar Pilots, hoping to make short work of that level 4 for the Red Alliance Reef. They've got 2 slots open and about a minute and a half left to fill them. Back on the opposite side of the field, the Blue Alliance 3487 reaching themselves on up to drop off a piece of coral on the level 4 with the Hotbots human player dropping off a piece of algae into the Red Alliance barge. 3487 racing on over as well to go return another piece of algae, just missing it. They will go back and return that free throw as best as possible if they can. A little over a minute left to play. Red Alliance still maintaining the slight lead with a score of 106-55. Blue Alliance has plenty of time to catch up as they continue to fill their reef and score their algae in their barge. Blue Alliance dropping off another piece of algae into their processor courtesy of the rookies Rata Toaster to their human player to drop one off just up and in, sadly going out of the Red Alliance barge. Looks like Red Alliance has 1 open slot on the level 4 of their coral. They've got most of that taken care of. Blue Alliance trying to play a little bit of catch-up as we wind down in our final minute of play here in qualification match number 2. Our rookies 10-6-56 retrieving another piece of algae from the ground to hopes to lay it up for the Blue Alliance into their barge. 85-13, Sisters first from New Jersey racing on over to their human face station to help start work on level 2 of the Red Alliance Reef. Still maintaining that Red Alliance lead. 26 placing another piece of coral as our end game timer starts to ring. Teams are going to make their way on over to the cages and start thinking about coming towards the surface as best as possible. Looks like we've got a couple of robots lining themselves up on their deep cages. 85-13 for the Red Alliance has their hooks in tow. 1498 trying to do the same. Looks like we've got a couple of robots hanging up in the air. We'll turn it over to our referees and be back with your official results in just a going to be the Red Alliance. They're walking home with a score of 178-106. Red Alliance walking home with 4 ranking points, 3 for the win and 1 for the cooperation. Blue Alliance also walking home with a cooperation ranking point as well. We will be back for qualification match number